Hello everyone. Let's understand lag and lead analytical functions. I want the preceding second row from the current row. How do I get that? I will use this partition by department name here, order by salary descending. So in the descending order of salary, I want to find out the second preceding value. Second preceding value from the current value, from the current row. That's what your lag does. Let's see the output. And the output, as you can see, for 5,000, I have got no preceding values. This is the highest salary. Same for 2450, there is no second preceding value. For 1300, I get the second preceding value as 5000. Say I am on this row because I have done order by salary descending, right? And the partition is department name. Here, 1 and 2. This is my second preceding value. So 5000. Now let's move to research department. Even here, for the first two, you will get nothing. But for the third row in the research department, that is for zones, you get the value as 3000. And similarly in the sales department as well. So this is all about the lag. Now let's understand lead. This is opposite of lag. If I want the following value from the current row. As you can see, for my first row, I'm getting 1300, which is my second preceding value. So from 5000, 1 and 2. Right? And if you look at the other values, I don't have any following values. That is why I'm getting null. Now coming to research. For 3000, this is my second value, second following value, 1 and 2. So 2975. For this 3000, 1 and 2. So I got 1100. For 2975, 1 and 2. So I got 800. For 1100, this is 1 and 2. And the research department, no value, that is null. So same for sales as well. So this is how your lead and lag works. So this was all about the lead and lag. Thank you so much.